On February 8, 1968, protesters gathered outside of South Carolina State University to peacefully protest. About 200 students in attendance, some huddled around a fire to stay warm. Although home to 2 black colleges and a majority black population, Orangeburg's economic and political power remained exclusively in the hands of whites. When a black Vietnam War veteran was denied access to a nearby bowling alley, one of the last segregated facilities in town, 200 protesters from South Carolina State College and Claflin University converged in a non-violent demonstration. A melee with the police ensued, during which police beat 2 female students. The incensed students then smashed the windows of white-owned businesses along the route back to campus. The governor sent in the state police and National Guard. By the late evening of February 8, Army tanks and over 100 heavily armed law enforcement officers had cordoned off the campus. 450 more had been stationed downtown. About 200 students milled around a bonfire on SC State's campus. A fire truck with armed escort was sent in. Without warning, the crackle of shotgun fire shattered the cold night air. It lasted less than 10 seconds. When it was over, 28 students lay on State's campus with multiple buckshot wounds. 3 others had been killed. Almost all were shot in the back or side. Students and police vividly describe what they experienced that night. Governor and law enforcement officials on the scene claimed police had fired in self-defense. But the one flaw in that story is every student that had got shot was shot in the back or the side. 23 years after the incident, the U.S. Justice Department charged the 9 police officers who admitted shooting that night with abuse of power. However, neither of 2 South Carolina juries would uphold the charges. I do want to say, with the one guy that's in office taking away civil rights, we have to stick together more than ever and to know our history. Stay safe and be on the lookout for my Patreon so we can talk more without being censored.